Okay guys, welcome back. Yes, just now I tried to fix this one. Yep, I realized that it was actually my laptop as the hotspot has a problem. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to change to um, my own mobile phone hotspot. Yeah, probably they are just not compatible. Yeah, maybe the level of security or the settings. Yeah, just some small details. Okay, anyway, so what I'll do now is I'm going to redo this part. I'm just going to change this access point. Let me show you to my phone. Okay, let me turn on the access point. Let me compile first. Let me compile and then let me upload this. Then you will see if it is working. So what I do is I'm going to upload this. So you can see my phone now, I still have not turned on the access point yet. So because I wanted to load everything in. Okay, so access point, let me turn, I don't want to turn it on because I want to show you that it's actually trying to connect. So it's not on yet. So yeah, you see it's trying to connecting. So no, this is not, this is uploading. Let this uploading finish first. We have a new SSID and password. Okay, once that is in, perfect. Now this is the device trying to connect. I'm turning on my access point. Okay, once I turn on access point, yep, as you see, you can see the Wi-Fi connected already. So over my phone device here, you can see that I'm not sure if you can see that there's a connection. The ESP is actually connected to here. Alright, so that is the first part of it. So I confirm to you that the Wi-Fi is working. Now is that we have to somehow transfer this data. No, it's connected, but I need to receive the data. Now in order to receive the data, you need to first set up the server side first. I'm going to give you the video on setting up the server side in a short while. So you can actually use that, but I just want to how to set up this server side. So let me show you my server side setup. Okay, I already got the server side set up. I'll just start my Apache server. I'll just start my SQL server. This is basically want to get the reading and then I want to store inside my database. Okay, so what I'll do is I just want to show you how I actually store the data. Let me open up my browser. So in this case, alright, I have a local host running at port 80. I think I put mine is under test insert dot php bracket description temperature and value is okay. Now let me put 33. Just put anything in. Let me check my setup now. htdoc task oh sorry, data ingestion. So this is not test here, this is data ingestion. Yep, so I put in the data. Okay, so you must be wondering how the data looks like. Let me go to the SQL server, show it to you. Now of course as of this point, the setup I already done much earlier, so I will just show you the process how to set up this one in a different video, but just to want to show you this. Show basis, use my data, select all from my transaction. Yep, you can see the temperature is 33 here. Yeah, ignore the rest of it. Okay, so you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the ESP32 so that when the ESP32 keep on running, I will have more and more temperature data. So this is what I'm planning to do now. Okay, so assuming the cloud system is already ready in this case, Yes, it is ready. But I cannot run on local host. I have to get my IP address, otherwise this guy cannot get me, right? So again, the connectivity we discussed in our class. Yes, it's very important. IP config. You should see that my IP running is not this, so I need to make sure that I connect to this guy. So now you can see that I'm trying to do a Wi-Fi connection. You can see I'm trying to connect over to my stream farm. So it's a Wi-Fi. Make sure that I'm in the same network so that I can let's run again. Okay, this is my IP address. So let me see if this can be accessed. Let me put a 34 here and see. Yep, it's running. Check the database again, select all. Yep, you can see it's running. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to give this to my Arduino program, and hopefully my Arduino program can can send the data to my database. Alright, so how do I send data over? Now the next thing is, yep, we have to set up the we are connection already. So now we got the reading already. Yes, perfect. Now this is the next part of it. Okay, so we will have the server part. Okay, so okay, string server. Let's assume I already have everything here except this part of it. I want to plus string temperature. Yeah, just put 2 there. And then this is basically my requesting URL. Okay, my server path. I call it the server path. So the one I've shown you earlier. And then now what we need to do is just trigger it. HTTP begin this server path. Alright, I guess that's all I need to do, and then I want to get the response equals to http.get then serial.printline. I just want to print the response. Let's print the response and see how was it. So if that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the HTTP end. So that once it's ended, I will hope that the second round will come back again. Yep, the second round will come back again and get connected here. So what I need is here, before I start, HTTP dot HTTP. Yeah, that's how I declare myself. The library. Yeah, I need to include the library as well. Include HTTP client.h. Alright, that should do the work. So this guy get the client, get the path, get the temperature value, send it to the server, we get the response, and then we end it, and then we repeat all over again. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so now uploading the data. We are okay, it's done. Look at the serial Wi-Fi connected. Okay, and let's see if we got we got -1. I think it should be 200. Let's check if the path is correct. So -1. I'm not sure what's that. Let's check it out. Let's check if our database have any data inside or not. The response code should be, yeah, you cannot get anything yet. So the response code should be 200, okay? Otherwise That's not correct. Alright, so I'm trying to run it. So I print out the path, and I try the path, and I think the path is correct. So in other words, alright, so this guy cannot reach me, but I can confirm that the code is correct. So the last remaining thing that we have to check will be the firewall, make sure that our system firewall is not blocking the connectivity. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to open up my device. Windows firewall. Okay, Windows Defender firewall. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on and off. I'm going to turn off and turn off. Okay. I'm hoping that once it's turned off, then when I turn off the firewall, you can see the 200 now is up. Yay! So now the data is entering to my database. So let me show you the database code. Over here, what I do is I'm going to show you the select all. Yeah, you can see that I have more and more temperature reading. I can make it warmer by holding the sensor. So you can see that the temperature will increase. You can see the temperature increase. Over here, live. On the other side, the data now is inside my database. Now it's 28 already. Yeah. So if I release, it will come back down again. Well, I think I just demonstrate to you that how to use the ESP32 as a sensor node. It has a Wi-Fi. You can get connected to your database. I'll give you the video on this one on how to set up the server side as well. Alright, so I guess that's all for now. Thank you very much. See you guys. Bye.